Hey folks, this is going to be a lesson on two fairly simple Led Zeppelin songs, Tangerine and Hey Hey What Can I Do? So we're going to start with Tangerine. We got an A minor chord. Okay, so what we're doing with that A minor chord, we have 2, 2, 1, and open. What we're doing is we're bringing the pinky into the 3rd fret of the 2nd string for the 2nd chord. So we're going, and then we're just pulling it out, going back to A minor. Then we're taking the 1 out, so it ends up going on that 2nd string. Okay, so easy enough. 1, 3, 1, open on the 2nd string with that A minor chord. Go to a G, and then D, D. So we will do 2 Gs there. So we got. So it's like bum, bum, bum. You could hit the bass and come back. So. And then we're going to go C, C. Okay, so let's look at all that again. We got A minor. Second time, we'll go D, 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 C, C, and then we're gonna have this riff. So we start with the C chord, we do the 2nd string, and then we go from the big string down 3 strings. So we go 2nd string, then 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. So then we're gonna pull those out of there. Do the same thing with opens, strings 2, 4, 3, 2 again. So we got to the A minor. And so let's look at all that. We got okay, so we end up with a G to D, and we end up with a. So that's a regular D twice, da da, and then pinky in, back to open, and back to the 2. So a lot of movement on the 3, 2, and open on the small string there with this D chord. So. So we got dum, dum, da dum, dee dee, da dum. Okay, so the intro does that, then we're going to do that again for a verse. Then we're gonna go. So C, 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 D, 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 G, G, G. So the chorus is G and then D to C to D to G and back around. So we got, from this walk up, we got da da dum, da da dum, da da dum. So from the C. Here we're going to stay on the G. Okay, and then we get into another verse. To the C, then that riff. Okay, so this is the second verse. We've already done a chorus, so now we have the solo. This is going to be a new part. So we're going to have a A minor, C, D. So at the end of that D measure, we got E minor to F, E minor, F, F, E minor, F major 7, okay, so we got the solo section coming back into a chorus. So the solo section again was A minor, C, D, E minor, F, E minor, F, F, E minor, then F major 7 twice, C to the G, G, D. So that's C, G, 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 D. You got that little riff again, C, 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 D, 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 another chorus. Hold the G. And then we start going da-da-dum, da-da-dum. There's like 7 or 8 of those. And then you finally start doing a little bit of rhythm with this. You got the 3, 2, oh, da-dum. So you do that like 4 times. Then we're gonna have, this is an A minor 7, 2, 2, 1, 3. Hit like an A minor 7 and then an A minor. Hit the G string and go. So that's like a G string and then a chord of the 2 strings, 2nd and 3rd string. Add the 1 and the 3 as you're doing that chord on the 2nd string. So, and then do like a O, 3, O. And then we're gonna come here to this F kind of major 7, F major 9 kind of thing. 3, 2, 1, and 3 on the bottom, but we're gonna go. So we're hitting like the 3 and the 2 to the open 1 on the 2nd string. So we've got like, so the first one is like, and then we kind of hit that pinky on the bottom there, so a little strum, and then we're gonna have the 1 and 3 on the bottom 2, pull the 1 out on the 2nd string to the open, and then hit like the rest of the G chord. Okay, so that ending is. Okay, Tangerine. Let's go through that little solo section again from A minor. 3, 4. C, D, E minor, F, E minor, F, F, E minor, F major 7, C, G, 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 D. Okay, and the ending one more time was. Like 4 of those. A minor 7, A minor, G riff, F major 7 type riff. Little riff here at the end. G chord. Okay, moving on to Hey Hey What Can I Do? This one has a capo to be in the right key with the record. So I'm gonna put a capo on the 1st fret here. All right, so I've got my capo here. I've retuned for Hey Hey What Can I Do by Led Zeppelin. So we're gonna start with this little riff. This is gonna be what looks like the 3rd fret. We're gonna call this the 3rd and 4th. And then 3rd and 5th. and then the little 3, which is going to be, we're going to get into a junga jung on that G chord. So we got, so I'm going da 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 dum, and then jenga jang jang jang. Now this 4th time it's going to go jenga jang, F F to C. So F F to C, and then our verse is going to start. This is going to be G D F to C, hold the C, little riff. So we have the 3 4 3 5 3 on the 2nd string. Back to those 2. So G to the D, F to the C, C, 2 3. So it's going to keep doing all that stuff. That's our main verse part. Not too many parts in this song. Now the 4th time of each verse is going to go G to the D with an F sharp bass, to the E minor, to the C, and then you kind of hold that and you're going to go, so that's like a G, D with an F sharp, E minor, C, leave it when the guitars play, and then you got G, G, F, F to C, just keep strumming that C, G, G, F, F to C. This is the chorus. G, F, F to C. So those are upbeats on the F. Now a new verse. G, D, F, C, C, riff. Now we have that different one. Hold that C, and we got our chorus again. G, G, F, F to C. We just do that 4 times. Last verse. And then this last one. So once again, that was G, D with the F sharp bass. You could just do a D if you want to, but it doesn't have that kind of walking bass thing. See how it walks down to that E minor too? C is the last one. So we got G, D with the F sharp, E minor, C, and then we wait for that chorus. And that's all it does. It just fades out doing that, so it does it a whole bunch of times. So if we look one more time, the intro. Like I say, our verses, G to D, F to C, 1, 2, 3. So right after the 3, you're gonna go to that riff. And like I say, on the 4th one, G, D with the F sharp bass, E minor, C, and your chorus is just G, F, F to C. All right, little Led Zeppelin 2-pack. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.